Oh, he got something. Oh, it's on there. Sir.
The screen came right out, man. Don't let up, man.
But go get it. Go get the net. He's fighting it.
I want to have my phone on the chair so I don't get down. What? I'm talking to him. It's still on there, right?
That's the gar? Is it fighting?
Yeah. Get the water, I want to mic him up.
Huh?
Get the water, water. You see where the line's going at, right?
Oh, here? Yeah, right there.
Are you going this way, Adrian? Yeah.
Where's it at?
He's coming, he's coming. Oh, Shay's taking my string now.
Damn!
Yeah, don't tell me.
Oh my God, it's a
He's on.
big boy. Oh!
Alright, boy, here he comes. He's not nearly as big as the other ones, but he's a fighter.
Oh, this is what we've been waiting for this whole night.
Oh yeah, that's it. Holy shit!
Ooh, come on, Bola, get him.
Shit! Get away, Bola. He's about to come up. You're gonna have to try to drag him this way, Bola. How? With my string.
No, that's gonna get it out.
You can see his tail right there, Bola. You see it?
Yeah.
Adrian's first.
Wait, do I put it on there?
That's up to you.
Like on his tail?
However you feel, Bola.
Whatever you can do. You can't get any deeper, Bola? Step on that grass?
If he gets deeper, he's gonna get cut by the. He's wearing shorts.
They don't attack people, they're fish.
I mean, but it's just flapping around. You can't grab those things either, huh?
Oh shit, he's taking my string. Pull him back right here. Here he comes, he's coming.
Can't see it. Oh.
Bola, my hook's out, Bola.
Did you get him? You got him?
He's gone.
It's gone.
Damn. We'll come back in, Bola. That boy's exhausted though.
Should have grabbed him by the head, Bola.
Like grabbed him?
Yeah.
In my hand?
Didn't you have him inside the net?
Fucking door.
Alright, we're gonna stay until you catch him. No.